Hey guys, welcome back to Skiampeterson, and today I'm going to review the Walther P22 airsoft version. Alright guys, I hope this review is really short and sweet. So first off, I'm going to point out this gun is very light. Its sights are very basic. It's pretty accurate out to about 10 feet. After that, the hop up is so severe that its gun is pretty much pointless after about 20 feet. The magazine release is right here. You're gonna pull this lever down, it's gonna drop the magazine. It does come with two magazines. They hold 20 rounds in each. This gun is very, very light, as I already said. It's made out of mostly plastic, but it has some metal parts like the trigger's plastic. Has the orange guard, obviously. It's a pretty decent gun for your money. It fits right into your hand. Can fit in a pocket or something. It's very light, very handy. For $20, you can't really beat it around here, and it's pretty cheap, but it does the job done. Thank you guys for watching. Please subscribe.